Good evening everyone, welcome to AClaireyTale, or AScaryTale, which is the Halloween edition of AClaireyTale. Usually I'm in Florida. We've had a couple of AScaryTales at Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. I'll link them below if you've missed them. But we're in England this year, but we are having a Halloween party at my brother's house. I've actually just come home from it. We've had such a good night. I filmed some little bits and bobs. I've filmed some of the things we ate and things we got up to. So I'll put all those in next. I know it's a little bit after Halloween, but we were in Dublin over Halloween. Those vlogs will come shortly after the Disney cruise vlogs are all up, so I hope you'll enjoy seeing that. We've kind of mixed Halloween with Bonfire Night this year. It's the 5th of November tonight, is Bonfire Night tonight. You can hear some fireworks outside actually. We didn't do any fireworks, but we did some sparklers and things. You'll see. I'm going to put all the clips in next. We are making pizza skulls. This is the second batch, and this is what the first batch looked like. How good are they? We are here at my brother's house, and it's all Halloweeny. We've even got the Halloween Mickey and Minnie. How cute are they? They're the 2021s. My brother's even put little spiders in his home decor. R.I.B. Oh no, don't do that. You come back from the dead. You're a zombie. And then look at the Halloween table we've got for dinner tonight. I love all the spooky confetti. I love the cobwebs.
That was me too.
Did you put them out?
Yep, and I did all of this table.
Did you? Is that a witch's shoe?
Right.
And then loads of Halloween.
You won't mind.
Mickey! There's a Mickey confetti.
You won't mind.
Oh, we've got a scary spider as well.
Coming to eat you.
Yeah, we've got a Mickey Halloween. This is nice. We've got a Halloween tree here. We've got all the Halloween little bits and bobs. Love that. And my nephew has switched on the Halloween lights.
The projector.
It's so good. We have got Ghostbusters on now for the Halloween dance party. So we've got vampire fangs, we've got Frankenstein faces, we've got scary nuns. These are all from M&S. And we've got some Halloween pasta shapes. We're making a pie. We've got some bat puff pastry toppings. And then I've got a cake in here, which I'll show you in a minute. And we've got some butterfly cakes. They could cause a pain in the neck, and they're not for suckers.
Scarily easy to make.
Scarily easy. Oh, he's a happy Frankenstein. It's Frankenstein's monster though, isn't it? I'm here for the booze. Look at Dad in his, what are you, a vampire?
I'm Dracula.
Oh, you're Dracula. And oh, we've got a cat as well. And we've got Nana in her mask.
Yeah.
We're ready for Halloween. Philo bats are going on our pie.
Bat pie.
Bat pie. Da, 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 da. Oh, it smells incredible. Look at my brother's Halloween tree. It's so good. We've got a Mickey up here. Is that an eyeball? Oh yeah, he's good, the ghost. But look at this eyeball. That's really good. They're good, aren't they?
Maybe that pie's ready.
Oh. We've got pumpkin and skeleton bow buns. They look so fun. Here are the first batch of pizza skulls. I think they look great. We've done a good job.
I think they look alright, don't they?
Yeah, there's a bit of a crack over there, but I think they look fab. They're so good. you enjoyed seeing a little bit of Halloween / Bonfire Night. What did you guys get up to? I'd love to hear your traditions and things. I thought I'd include some clips in next of some exciting deliveries that I've had. I've had a ShopDisney delivery. I bought some bits off the website. I've also had some amazing PR packages from Level 8 Suitcases and as well Joby for some camera equipment. Can't wait to show you that. I'm going to put all those clips in next. Good evening! I think this is my new little filming spot. I usually film on my blue sofa, as you know, which is over there. But yeah, mixing things up a little bit, and when the tree is here, it's going to be the most magical backdrop. But I just wanted to come on quickly and let you know about an exciting delivery that I've had. Bleatpr have kindly sent over the Joby Wavo Air Microphone set. So I'm really excited to see what difference this makes, whether this enhances the vlogs, and I thought I'd test it live on this vlog. So let's do a little bit of testing and see whether it improves the sound. As you guys know, I recently upgraded my camera. I bought the Sony ZV-E10 and replaced my G7X. I was getting really tired of the focus of the G7X. It's quite famous for just going in and out of focus all the time. And with this new camera, that's just not happened as much anyway. And I've loved that. But one thing I have noticed is that the sound quality isn't as good on this camera, especially when there's background noise. When I'm looking through the cruise footage, I've noticed that the sound of the ship, so you know that whirring sound, it's quite prominent, and I've had to isolate my voice a few times in the clips. So I'm hoping this is going to make such a difference. I thought I'd give you a closer look at the box. So this is it, the Joby Wavo Air, and then inside the box you've got 2 transmitters, a receiver, cables, support as well for placing it in on your camera or your phone, and there's a little picture of everything. So there's your receiver, transmitters, wires, and then the mounts. Okay, wow, that was so easy to set up. It's all done via Bluetooth. I basically held these two down until they paired. So this is the receiver. So this has this wire which goes into your phone or your camera, and then you can mount it onto your camera or mount it onto your tripod or whatever it is. I'm just going to let it dangle for this test. And then this one is the transmitter, which has the microphone, and it comes with the wind guards. So you can put this wind guard on here. It just clips on like so. So it'll protect from any wind noise. And then I've attached this on the back. Wait, let's take the wind guard off. I don't need that now. I've attached this clip on here for the microphone. I would just have this like that. Or maybe I can make it a bit more subtle. If I hit it, can I hide it that way? So it's not as obvious. So let's have a go. Let's see what this sounds like. Right, we're all switched on, I think. I've plugged the receiver, as you can see, into the camera. And then I'm hoping this microphone, you can hear me okay. I wonder what I can't tell right now. I'll see, editing me will be able to see the difference in the audio. But let me know below, what do you think? Maybe another test, maybe I should put some background noise, maybe some music or something. I was just trying to think, what song can I put on without getting copyright? So I'm going to use the royalty-free music that I use on my vlogs. So I've just put on one of my vlogs, just the intro, right? Let's see if my voice picks up. Wow, loud music. Is that a bit loud though? I don't think I'd ever be that loud. Right, let's see if my voice is picked up. And then what I'll do is I'm going to turn the microphone off and see what my camera picks up. Okay, I've turned my microphone off. So let me know already if you spot a difference. Let's put the music on again, same volume. Let's see whether my voice is picked up above the music. Who remembers this music, by the way? Does anyone know what series this music was on? I've turned the music off. Hopefully you could see a difference there. I'm really excited to see what the difference is. And I'll use these in the future, in my future vlogs in Florida and when I go on trips, and hopefully it will enhance the audio. Thank you so much to Bleatpr for sending me this Joby microphone set. If you are interested in this, I'll put the link to it below. It's not an affiliate link, it'll be a link directly to the Joby website, but I'll let you know exactly what I've got here. And yeah, hopefully it makes a difference to the future vlogs. Guys, look at the size of the ShopDisney box. Shall we open it? Let's have a little look inside. Does anyone else find ripping this the most satisfying thing ever? Oh, underneath this strip was this Walt Disney quote. We keep moving forward, opening new doors and doing new things because we're curious, and curiosity keeps leading us down new paths. Aww. I love Disney boxes. I used to give these all to the kids, my niece and nephew, because they used to colour them all in. Oh, right. So I bought 3 things. Let's get them out. I think you can already guess what this is. Are you ready to see what was inside the box? I've taken everything out of the packaging as well, so you don't have to hear any rustling. Did I get a rustle? No, I didn't get a rustle, but I got a Dumbo. Isn't he adorable? He is huge as well. I didn't expect it to be this big. And so this is one of the new plush. They do weighted plush now. So it's kind of, it helps with anxiety and relaxation. And it's got a removable 2.5 pound weighted pouch in it. And it's so soft. This is gonna be just gorgeous. I also picked up a Christmas item. If you saw my little update vlog, you will know that we are hosting Christmas this year. So Mum and Dad are coming here for Christmas dinner. So I have bought a table runner, and this is it. How cute is that? And obviously Dumbo there. You can see the castle. And I love the pom-poms. It's actually reversible as well. So let me show you the other side. How nice is that? With beautiful baubles. Some of the baubles have Mickey on, and the castle. So yeah, this is going to be really nice. We'll have to work out which way around to put it because both sides are beautiful. It might be a little long, but we'll see what it looks like on Christmas Day. Stay tuned. I will show you. And then the third and final thing, I got Simon a Lego Star Wars advent calendar. If you've been following for a good few years now, I've been getting this for Simon maybe the past 4 years. He loves creating one of these every day. I'll get him a chocolate one as well because you've got to have a chocolate advent calendar. But this is it. It's got a little hint of what's going to be inside, so that should be good. I'll definitely film a Christmas vlog or 2, so you'll see it all set up then. So yeah, they're the 3 items I got from the Disney store. Yeah, I'm very happy with my purchases. I have received the most incredible, generous PR package. This is from the company Level 8. So I've got 2 suitcases here, which are going to be amazing for my travels. And perfect timing because actually on my most recent trip with Simon, I broke his suitcase. We shared a suitcase and the wheels were just a bit too flimsy on them. But these, apparently the quality of these are incredible. So I can't wait to see, can't wait to show you. Let's get them out of these boxes and have a look. So when Level 8 reached out to me to see what suitcase I would like, they let me choose, which is so nice of them. I've actually chosen a very bright colour, which might not be to everyone's taste. Don't let that put you off though, because there's so many different colours on the website. So have a little browse on there and see if there's any you fancy. But I went for a really bright one on purpose because I thought it would be so easy to spot when it's on the carousel. So let me show you. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Oh my gosh, it seems quite large, but it is the right size for in the hold. I did check because I wanted to make sure. Right, let's get this out. Let's move this giant box out of the way. Guys, I love it. Look at the colour. Right, let me show you properly. Isn't that amazing? So yeah, I'm gonna be able to spot this a mile off. I just want to check the wheels. Oh yeah, look at the wheels. They are so much better quality than the ones we had. Oh, there's a handle here as well. And then we've got a lock here, if you can see that. Oh, I like this. Look at the big wide handle on it. That is so nice. This is so smart. I love it. Thank you so much, Level 8. What an amazing suitcase. I'm going to take this to Dublin on our next trip. So I'll show you and see how it is. Actually, shall I open it? I'll show you what it's like inside. So the zips were in this little lock here. I'll just flip that. Oh, the zips run so nicely. Right, let's have a little open. Oh, let's use this handle. Wow. Zoom out a bit to show you. This is wonderful. Let's open this. So we've got a main compartment here. Oh, I love that. We've got a divider. That's good, isn't it? And then on this side, we've got a couple of zipped pockets here. And in here, see-through one. That's going to be handy. And then another large one here. Great. All this excitement. It feels like Christmas Day with all these boxes. Level 8 also kindly gifted me a cabin bag, which is what this is. So this is a smaller suitcase that will fit inside the plane. So we've got the right measurements for taking on board with you. And they let me pick again, which was so good of them. So I decided to go for a really practical one. So this is the black cabin bag. It's called the ROADRUNNER. Oh my gosh, this looks so smart. The reason why I picked this one, let me see if I can show you. So it has this pouch at the front. Oh, the zips are so nice. See how it opens up like that, just for the front, and it has the main pocket here. But this front pocket is perfect for iPads, laptops, even your little bag of toiletries, because then you don't have to open your whole suitcase to get all of that out to go through security. It's so handy. You can just put it in here, take it out when you're going through security, put it back in, and you don't have to open your whole suitcase in front of everyone, which is something I currently do. So yeah, that's why I chose that. I just thought it was so practical. These are so well made. Isn't that gorgeous with the Level 8 logo on it? Let's see what the handle's like. Oh, it's so nice. I am so grateful. Thank you so much, Level 8. If you are interested in one of these suitcases, I'll put the link below. I highly recommend already, but I'm going to test them out in Dublin. Oh, let me show you inside this one as well. Look how smart this is. That is, I keep saying how smart these cases are, but that is the adjective for these. So the front pocket, perfect for iPads, laptops, loads of pockets there. Liquids as well, if you just want to put your little bag of liquids in, take it out and put it on the security belt. And then inside, ooh, so we've got this section here. That's nice. And then a zipped section here. There's some pouches at the front. Oh, what's this? Oh, we can label it. So here they are both together. Ignore the cardboard boxes. That is the cabin bag, that's called the ROADRUNNER, and this is the hold bag, and it's called the Voyageur. I'll put the link to each of them if you're interested in either of them. I've got an affiliate link where it doesn't cost you any extra, but it does give a little bit of commission to me if you want to use those links, if you would like these suitcases. I'll put the link in the description. I've got a discount code as well, so I'll put all that information down below if you would like to get some money off these beautiful cases. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I think it is a bit here, there and everywhere. There's going to be some more cruise vlogs and I'm going to film some Christmas vlogs for the lead up to Christmas as well. So stay tuned to see all of that. Let me know below what you'd like to see in terms of Christmas content. I know a lot of you love the old Christmas vlogs, so let me know what you'd like to see in mine. And I'll see you next time. Please like this video if you did, subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you next time. Bye!
Making memories, take your pictures, making memories.